the water. Oh, there's a lake. Here's the lake. You see it? See the lake? There it is. Whoa. You can. The other trail leads that way. It is hot. There's another bridge going down there. Somebody wrote in that. What is this leads to? It's nice here. It's paved. Some are gravel. Look, they planted those trees right there. Are those fruit trees or something? Oh look, there's another bridge. There's a lot of trails here. That's muscadine. Look, this one, they look like you just put the trail here. Oh, this is like swamp. This one looks like they just fixed it. Or brand new. Because probably got washed away. The storm. Look at that.
Fish. Looks like that's got the fish.
Yeah, because the fish are trapped.
The fish in the trap.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Is that lotus? Look, you see it? That's the flower bud right there. Yes, it is. Water lily, maybe. It's nice here. I like it here. It's not that far.
A bunch of little fishes.
Paul over there. Wow, there's a bunch of turtles. Where's the other one? There's 3 or 2 swimming over there. And there's one on top of the log. Where? There's a bunch here. There's more back there. There's more back there on the other side. There's a bunch on the other side. You're swimming. This is cool. I like this side. There's more turtle here. That's the biggest one, okay? You see it? The what? Look at those pretty flowers. The yellow one. You gotta sit down. A what? Where's the fish? Really? You might have it here. There's more trail that way. Let me look at the map. Where are we? Probably not. Ooh, feels good in the shade. It's good to ride bikes on this trail. Walking, jogging, running. I don't think there's horses allowed here, just bikes. And some trails are closed for dogs and the bikes. But it's a pretty nice park. Enjoying the simple things in life. Whew, hot. Look at those benches. Yeah, it's eating the nectars from the flower. Good, good.
Oh, seriously? Are we getting closer when I can turn my camera off?
It's closer now. It's pretty. It's beautiful. You should take a video. Oh no, he flew away. Don't do that.
This one's ugly.
It's a brown one. Look, tutubies.
Where's the alligator?
Tutubies are flying everywhere.
Maximum load, 1,000 pounds.
What? Oh yeah. Well, there's more turtles. Look at the turtle.
Look at turtle
Sunbathing.
fish. They're buddy buddy.
Where?
Right there.
Ecker. Where? The turtle? Oh, I guess that was the old bridge that fell. Go washed away. There's a new bridge here.
Where's that napkin that you had?
It's in my bag.